Welcome to Soft Speak's Camp Kitchen. Glad you could join us at McKinney Campground on Lake Allatoona. People say that food tastes better outdoors. I gotta say, I agree with that. Cooking over an open fire is what the Cook-It-All was designed for. We're going to take some simple ingredients and make a popular breakfast casserole. We're going to cook with our Lodge Cook-It-All. And what's going to go in our Mountain Man breakfast is some bacon that I cut up into small pieces, and some breakfast sausage, some cheddar cheese, some sliced green onions, some minced jalapeno, some scrambled eggs. There's about 6 eggs, and this is about a half a package of bacon. Some hot sauce, some black pepper, and a little bit of kosher salt. And so we put the Cook-It-All in the fire, and it got scorching hot, so we had to take it out, let it cool down. So we're gonna crisp up some of this bacon. I probably should have sprayed it with some spray, but you can see it's making some grease of its own anyway. I guess I'll leave it alone for a little bit, let it. Scorching hot. So we've got some sausage that's been browning and some bacon, and now we're going to add the hash browns, which I forgot to mention we were going to put hash browns. You got to have that. And what I have here is some hash brown casserole that we made last weekend at home, and we've just been saving for this trip. So I'm just going to mix it in really good. Just break it up. Once it gets heated good, I can start adding the eggs and the other ingredients. All right. I'm just going to let that warm up. We're going to put a little bit of cheese on top. And then I'm going to put the eggs in. Oh, that smells so good. Here's our scrambled eggs. Now, of course, if it would be filled up more if we had more people. But we're only feeding 2 people. So, if we had more people, we would have more eggs and we'd have more everything. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of pepper, just a little dash of kosher, and a lot more cheese. Well, maybe I'll put a little more cheese on it. By this time, we're starving and ready to eat. Looks more like a frittata, but it's Mountain Man. All right, now I need to probably put the lid on. Probably just for a few minutes. And I'm going to take the lid off. I'm trying to, oh yeah, it's done. Yum, yum. And now you have Mountain Man breakfast in the Cook It All. Came out bubbling with cheese. Thank you for watching our video on Campfire Mountain Men.